Have you ever done this by accident while cleaning your throttle body and your car ran rough after? Well, that's one of the top 5 problems on this 8th generation Nissan Maxima that we're going to talk about today. Let's get started. Number 1, which is our CVT, our continuously variable transmission. If you know Nissans, you may be familiar with this issue, but if not, this is something you should be well aware of. Problems in these units range from the transmission temperature sensor to the transmission range sensor to the whole unit itself. Pretty much the only way to avoid these issues is keeping up with your CVT maintenance, from checking your fluid regularly and changing it at its recommended interval. Number 2, interior and accessory issues. Many drivers report issues with our center infotainment screen, dashboard, or seat adjustments. These issues affect comfort and convenience and may require part replacement or dealer intervention. Problem number 3, our EVT, which stands for exhaust valve timing. Codes for this problem consist of P0178 and P0184. The most common reason for this code is oil condition and oil level. If you check those and they're good, you could also check your wire harness to your sensors for any damage. If those check out, you could remove your sensor and look for any damage or debris stuck to the magnet, but the most common repair for this is replacement. If you find you need parts for this repair or any other repair on your Nissan Maxima, you can find them at 1A Auto. Number 4, the problem we talked about in the beginning of this video, which is an erratic or high idle after cleaning your throttle body. The throttle body on this generation Nissan Maxima is known for carbon buildup and requires light cleaning to keep peak performance and fuel economy. After cleaning, the ECU is going to register too much air and the vehicle won't be able to idle properly. It's just recommended to simply wipe the inside of the throttle body every 12,000 miles and not touch the butterfly flap. Now, if you have these issues after cleaning, you could either disconnect the battery for an hour and let the vehicle relearn itself, or take it to a dealership to have the throttle body relearned. And number 5, code P0448 for EVAP canister vent control valve. This is located on the back of the vehicle on top of the subframe and is a common code. First you want to do is go near your fuel tank, locate your EVAP canister, and check the valve harness for any damage or any caked up dirt around the canister itself. If those check out good, make sure the sensor is open and flowing freely, and also inspect your EVAP canister for any damage to the charcoal elements. Replace both if you find either or.